Let's draw a gentle little wolf together, the kind you'd want as your forest friend. Start with the ears, then draw the face, body, tail, and cute facial features. Download the free coloring sheet and draw along with me. You can follow my colors or use your imagination to create your own little wolf. Let's begin from the top and gently fill in the entire body with gray. Now color the tail, soft and fluffy, just like before. Add 2 rosy red cheeks. It looks like he's smiling. Finish with white inside the ears to add a soft, cozy touch. Wow! You finished this shy and adorable little wolf. Kindness can turn even the wildest into a friend.